All right, let me show you how to complete your asynchronous training online in our Blackboard Learn page. So remember, all asynchronous assignments are due Monday, August 17th at midnight. So let's get started. First, make sure you're in our SLC Blackboard Learn page. Next, go over here and click on SI Leaders. Once you do that, you'll be in our SI program page, and you will notice that there are 3 different training folders. Make sure you click on the one that applies to you. So my new leaders, you will want to click on the red writing one that says new leaders. Those who are returning leaders, click on the green writing one that says returning leaders. And my level 3 leaders, you know who you are. You belong in the blue writing folder that says level 3 leaders. So let's pretend that we are brand new leaders. And what you do is you click into your folder, and this is what you will see. It's very important that you start off from the very top and then you work your way all the way down to the closer. So with the introduction, this lets you kind of understand what we're going to be going through in the training, and it tells you about deadline dates, such as the fact that this asynchronous training is due Monday night at midnight. So make sure you get it done. It also recommends that you don't do all of this at once. Make sure that you pace yourself as you go. Complete one topic, take a break, and then come back and complete the next topic. You have till Monday to complete all of them. The second important thing you need to note is if you click here at the new SI Leader Synchronous Training Agenda, you'll see that you have a chance to click Launch, and it launches you into our new SI Leader Training Agenda. Each folder has a training agenda dedicated just for that particular group of SI leaders. So make sure you only look at the one that belongs in your folder. You will notice that this allows for you to see when all of your synchronous live training will be happening. So you'll notice that my new SI leaders are coming back synchronously on Wednesday at 10 a.m. This is the Zoom link that you use to log in. So all of these dates and boxes should tell you date and time of your training, topics that will be discussed, Zoom links, and as well as who the facilitators will be and how long each of the topics are going to last. So this is the only link that is not updated at the moment, but just to let you know, all of these agendas are live, and so once I update them, you should be able to access them as well. The rest of the links are already in here. So again, this is a one-stop shop for you to be able to access to know when your trainings are happening, what topic, what the Zoom link is, and who is going to be facilitating, and how long each topic will be. Down here, you'll see that you'll be excused at 1:30 p.m. on Wednesday, and that the total synchronous time for that day is 2.5 hours. All of that detail is on your training agenda. So back to the Blackboard Learn page. You can go through it by clicking these links right here, or if you want, you can also click the arrows over here. So these are just the 2 different ways that you can move back and forth through your training modules. All right, so once you completed all of them, all the way to the very bottom with the closer, we just wanted to remind you that we want to thank you for taking the asynchronous module training, and that we're ready and excited to see you again next week. So if you have any questions at all, please do let me know. And as you can see in each of these training folders, there will be a video that you can watch along with a reflection for every single one of them. Click to launch. So make sure you complete these reflection questions in order to complete all of your training. All right, so let us know if you have any questions, and I'm excited to see all of you again.